guys, it's Trace with Dirt Legal. We're here visiting Miami Military Trucks at Miami International Mall here at the car show, Cars and Coffee. Guys, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Sure. So we're a non-for-profit group. We use our military trucks, mostly Humvees. We have 5 tons, we have LMTVs. We have all sorts of military trucks, and we like to use the vehicles out for outreach. For non-for-profit events, we do kids with disabilities with autism. We like to show off the trucks. We also work with non-for-profit and veteran outreach. So we do events with the Wounded Warriors and other veteran events. Obviously, Dirt Legal has been a great proponent for allowing us to use our off-road vehicles to go on roads and go to these car shows, to do some outreach, work with veterans, work with kids. So it's a great opportunity to use our love for vehicles and mash and bring out our enthusiasm to others.
Awesome, I'm glad to hear it. Glad that we can help you guys get these registered and play a little role in contributing to helping you guys do what you do. We really appreciate you.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
Thank you guys.